If you hear the creaking, it's because my neighbor's fence is messed up. Right there. It's totally messed up. It's creaking like crazy because of the wind. But, today I'll be showing my dad's really bad garage door, and it really needs to be serviced. Like, really bad. Those guys will scare at me. Okay, good. Okay, so let me show you what it means by it needs to be serviced. It opens pretty normal. Once it's completely open, nothing too important. A button, with the lock and light feature. Now let me show you what it does when you close it. So once it gets to the middle part, it goes. Sounds really bad. Really, really, really bad. But it still works. Totally fine. It still works completely fine. Here's the side door to it. I could do an inside view. I think I should do an inside view. Let's do an inside view. Step in. It's pretty dark. But here's the button right here. I ain't gonna push it because I already got the remote right here. What's this? 371 LM? Yeah, it's 371 LM. LiftMaster. So let me show you the opener, what it looks like when it opens. I'm not going to do a closing of the inside because, I don't want this thing to collapse on me if it does. So that's the inside. There's one more before I quit this video. Ooh. There are different noises on this thing every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really want to get to 10 subscribers. I'm only at 6. So please subscribe. Please, please, please. I'm very happy if you do. Just like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.